In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your font size on Snapchat, but it is very important as you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to, of course, go into our Snapchat app. So as you can see, I'm currently on my Snapchat app right here. So now what I'm going to do is to just simply find a random chat in here. So we can take Team Snapchat just as an example for this tutorial. So let's say that I now want to increase the font size on my Snapchat right here. Well, then what I'm going to do is to just simply scroll to this page right here, as you can see. So now I'm just going to select the ANA symbol. As you can see, it's called like text size, I think. So click on the ANA symbol. And as you can see, yeah, text size in here. So what I'm going to do now is to just increase this as much as I want to. I'm going to go back to my Snapchat app right here. I'm going to write like hi, for example. And yeah, as you can see, it actually did become a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to increase it even more to just demonstrate to you how much it can actually get to. And yeah, as you can see, it does work. So yeah, basically, if you want to increase your font size, then you can do it like this by actually going into this page right here. And you can even select Snapchat only if you want to, as you can see, or all apps or just Snapchat. So yeah, basically, yeah, this is exactly how you can actually do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.